And what do we have here is el lago Coatepeque. It's called in Spanish the lake of Coatepeque. So in one side we got the volcano, one volcano, because this used to be a volcano that did eruption 100 years ago. And then on the other side we got the Izalco. If you come to El Salvador, this is a place to be. It's a beautiful place. Yeah, it's amazing. La view que tenemos aquí es increíble. For the people from Europe, El Salvador is very safe nowadays. So there are no more troublemakers. They are in a safer place now. And this area got plenty accommodation for you to stay in this area. So I will show you that here we got the lake. On the other side we got the volcano. Let's see the volcano. Vamos a buscar el volcán de Izalco, que es impresionante. Aquí tenemos la puesta del sol, que este día va a ser tan maravillosa que esperamos grabarlo en un par de, yo digo, en unos 40 minutos más o una hora. And then, aquí tenemos el volcán de Izalco, magnífico, faro del Pacífico. This is the volcano called Izalco. It's amazing, amazing. So if you come to El Salvador, this is a place to come to enjoy the nature of El Salvador that we cannot see in other places. We are coming from Australia. Australia is beautiful, but no volcanoes over there. And we share with Australia El Pacifico, that which is here on that end there. We cannot see at the moment because the clouds. So I hope you like this type of video. If you enjoy, just give us a like.